first ATM will probably fail, not because the business doesn't work, not because the machine is bad, and not because the economy is all against you. It's because of the decisions you make before you ever turn it on. That's the part nobody talks about when they're getting started. Everyone shows the win, everyone shows the deposits, and everyone shows the lifestyle, the cars, the money, the planes. But nobody breaks down why the first ATM machine underperforms. And when it does, beginners start to question everything, the whole business. They think the business model is broken. They think they made a mistake. They think maybe this business isn't for them, when in reality, the problem was already built into the setup. I've seen this over and over and over again. Same machine, same industry, different outcomes. And it always comes back with the same few mistakes. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the 3 biggest reasons why the first ATM fails and how to avoid them so you don't waste your time, money, or even momentum. Before we get into it, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and turn on that notification bell to get more amazing content from this channel. It's built for real operators just like you who want real numbers, real systems without any of the fluff, no Bugattis, no lot, no yachts, no airplanes, just real hard ATM truths. The first reason the first ATM fail is bad expectations. Beginners put too much pressure on the first machine. They wanted to prove everything immediately. They wanted to hit hard that first month. They want to justify their entire business right away. That's not how operators think. The first ATM is a learning machine. It teaches you traffic patterns. It teaches you how people actually use the machine. It teaches you what servicing an ATM feels like. It teaches you how location quality shows up in real life. If you expect instant perfection, you misread normal early performance and you quit too early. That doesn't mean you accepted weak results forever. It means you evaluate with discipline, not emotion. The second reason why ATM businesses fail is weak placement. This is the real killer. People place a machine because they know the owner, because the location looks busy, or because it's close to their house. None of that guarantees performance. What matters is cash demand. Do people really need an ATM in this location? Do people actually need cash? Does the business type support withdrawals? Is there a reason to use the machine instead of another option nearby? A location can look busy and still be a bad performer. That surprises people, but it's true. The right traffic matters more than the total traffic. That's why one ATM makes a few $100s a month and the other one does slightly more with the exact same machine. The machine didn't change, the economy didn't change, the economics did. Third reason the ATM businesses fail is lack of systems. This is where beginners get exposed. They think the business is buying an ATM and then installing it. Business is so much more than just buying an ATM and placing it. Then reality shows up. Now the machine needs support, the software needs attention, the bank relationships matter, the processors matter, cash loading matters, your reporting matters. Without a system, every issue becomes bigger and bigger than it should. That's when frustration starts setting in and people begin to fall out. So if you're serious about avoiding that, the course below walks you through the entire setup from your first ATM to the back-end system to scaling, so you don't have to figure it all out the hard way. You don't have to take the beatings that I took in the very beginning 25 years ago. We documented it all and we'll help you through this very startup of your first ATM business. Number 1, treat your first ATM like proof of concept, not a lottery ticket. Number 2, judge locations based on economics, not convenience. And number 3, and most important, build a system around the machine before problems force you to do so. If you want to do that, your first ATM becomes what it's supposed to be, the first working piece of a repeatable business. If you want the full process laid out, step by step, check out our course below. And if you're getting started, grab the free checklist. Again, I'm Phil from PDQ Merchant Enterprises and the ATM Mastermind group page, and we'll see you at the next ATM video.